Hello, this is Nico over at Charlie's Foreign Car, and we have an electrical video here for you today. So sometimes electrical problems are difficult on cars, and sometimes they're real easy. So on this one, we've got an electrical problem. We just have the cigarette lighter that doesn't work. So we went in and we found that this fuse right here was bad. We're going to remove that fuse, and we are going to replace it. And we are going to get the cigarette lighter to work again. So this is a real nice and easy, simple electrical problem. Lots of times what happens with a cigarette lighter fuse is, especially if you have kids, they can put stuff in the cigarette lighter and they can short it out. Many times we find spare change, pennies and quarters in the bottom of the cigarette lighter. That'll pop the fuse like in a second. So anything that is conductive, so metal that goes down in there, it will short circuit the fuse that controls that, and it'll just pop the fuse. So this one's going to get fixed with a new fuse, and it can be on the way, and nice and easy fix on this one. Thank you very much for watching.